Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the trending pin like this TikTok trend edit using only CapCut on your phone. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open CapCut and then just import your clips. Now just split it into 19 parts. I will show you the exact duration for each part at the end of this video, so make sure to watch until then. You can follow my structure for the best result. Next, for the intro, let's add fade in animations like this, and then just set the durations to 0.3 like this. And then for the next clips, let's add keyframes at the start like this and the end like this, and then make it zoom in slightly by the end. For example, like this. And then also add this custom graph, and then just set the graph like this. Like this. And then just repeat the same keyframes and graph combo for all your clips. And then next, let's go back to start of the video. Next, between intro and first clip, just add transitions. Let's add black fade transitions. This one. Like this. And then next, for its clips, for the second clip, this one, just add animations and then combo, and then choose fall right. This one. And then third clip, just add animations again. Let's add fall bottom right. Like this. And then fourth clip, let's add fall left. And then fifth clip, just add fall bottom left. Like this. And then six clips, just add in animations and then swing bottom. Like this. And okay, that's pretty much the tutorial. The next steps will be continue in part 2. So see you in part 2.